Hi guys, let's look at how to resize an image. So the first thing I've got done here is I've already opened up my Adobe Photoshop, and I chose Adobe Photoshop because this is the number one imaging, raster editing application that there is out there on the market today. It is by far the standard for working with photorealistic images. Okay, so with that in mind, I have Photoshop open, and I'm just going to drag and drop the file that I want to work with right into Photoshop. So there it is, and it's going to open it. Now, if that is a little too complicated for you, you're always welcome to come up and go to File and then down to Open, and then you just navigate to wherever your particular file is that you want to work with. Inside of Photoshop, please come up to Image and then down to Image Size. And this is where the magic is going to happen. You'll notice that I have my width and my height in percentages, and I'm just going to go ahead and change that to pixels because in the world of web, that's what we really work with. I know from my previous lecture that this image is like way too big. And because I've been working in web design and development for a while now, I know that I want that image to be no more, for me, no more than, let's say, 600 pixels in height. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that this link is depressed. Okay? I want it I want the area around it to be the dark gray rather than not pressed. Because what that's going to do is it's going to force Photoshop to calculate the changes for me whenever I change something on one of them. And that's exactly what you want. Okay, so if I want it to be no more than 600 pixels in height, I'm going to type in 600 right there. And you see how it just automatically goes ahead and calculates what the width should be? That's what I want. And then click OK. Now, before you save this, let me talk to you about best practices. You don't want to overwrite your original image. Keep it always as a pristine copy. So we're going to save this with a different file name. Come up to File, come down to Save As, not Save, but Save As. And I'm going to type in tropical leaves, and I'm going to say 600 right there because I know that that was the 600 width. Then go to wherever your folder is, and here's my images folder, and I'm going to click Save. Then click OK. From there, it's just a matter of updating the name of the file inside of your index file. So here, I am going to come over here and I'm going to find my tropical leaves, and then I'm just going to type in 600. I'm going to bring back my page here. I'm going to hit refresh, and there it is. So I hope you enjoyed seeing an easy way to resize your images. I'll see you guys in the next video.